It's a sub box I'm making for 4/8 for my 2020 Ram 1500. I got all the pieces cut right now. It's made out of a 3/4 MDF. Top, bottom, port, back, sides. I'm about to be cutting the holes in the faceplate for the subs to mount into. And then once I test fit those, I'm going to be gluing this together and screwing it all back. And then I'm going to wrap it in some, either some leather or carpet, I don't know yet. I gotta go to the store and check out what they got. So I'll show y'all once I get it put back together. Just got one cut out and fitted up. I gotta do the rest. I drilled these little pilot holes. Not pilot holes, but holes in here so I can get the jigsaw in there. And as you can see, I can screw in at all points. So I'm gonna start on this one and do those other two, and I'm gonna cut this port out. I traced out where the top hits on the inside and on the bottom too, so I know how to cut this out. You don't want to paint the port black or whatever color. I do black, but before you put it all together, I got the port glued on and screwed on, and I have the front plate glued on the bottom and screwed on. But you want to make sure you paint inside here black. Okay, I'm actually going to put a little bit more paint back there. Alright, so it's the next day. I got the box all screwed back together with glue on all the joints, and I finished cutting all the holes. I just used a jigsaw after I marked them. I just used the styrofoam that came in the box. Port. It's all dusty now because I just cut those holes, but I'm gonna vacuum it out. I got so I put glue and sawdust from my sander over all the cracks, like where the wood joins everywhere. So I'm waiting for that to dry. It's pretty dry already. And I'm gonna sand it down. I'm about to go get a wiring kit right now. Came out pretty nice. Once all that's dry, I'm gonna sand it all down. These are wired them. So that's the amp. That's the speakers, 2 amp speakers. I'm also going to be tapping into my factory subs. I got the Alpine system in mind with this high to low output converter. Usually you would use one of these to tap into the door speakers. So I'm just going to tap into the factory sub. So I'm going to have to take that out anyways. Fits pretty good. I'm going to hook up the amp tomorrow to my factory sub, hopefully. That's pretty much flush with the seat. And I'm gonna wrap it eventually. I don't know what I'm gonna put around it though. I don't want to do carpet. I might just Raptor line it or wrap it with something, some kind of other material. But yep, came out pretty good.